Did you know there is a mysterious bird that's known for its unique physical features and hunting techniques? What is this bird, you ask? It's the owl. Owls are one of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom, with their nocturnal habits and eerie hoots. In this video, we'll explore some amazing facts about owls that you probably had no idea about. Did you know that owls can turn their heads almost all the way around? Yes, that's right. Owls can turn their heads up to 270 degrees, which allows them to see prey from different angles without moving their bodies. This ability is due to their unique bone structure, which consists of extra vertebrae and flexible neck muscles. Owls also have amazing hunting techniques that are essential for their survival. For example, some owl species have feathers on their wings that are specially designed to muffle the sound of their flight, allowing them to fly silently and catch prey by surprise. Additionally, owls have special claws called talons that are strong enough to crush the skulls of their prey. In addition, owls have unique physical features that are adapted to their nocturnal lifestyle. For example, they have large eyes that are capable of capturing even the slightest movements in the dark. Owls also have excellent hearing, with some species having asymmetrical ear placements that allow them to pinpoint the location of their prey using sound. In conclusion, owls are one of the most mysterious creatures in the animal kingdom, with their unique physical features and hunting techniques. From their ability to turn their heads almost all the way around to their silent flight, owls are truly amazing birds that continue to capture our imaginations. We hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating facts about owls and continue to explore the wonders of nature and wildlife. Thank you for watching.